Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see an assembly feature that will really help us whenever we are dealing with the larger assemblies. For this video, I have taken this pulley assembly which we have already done as a separate video. You can also refer that video. I'll give you the link in the top. So I have taken this pulley assembly. What we are going to do now is, if I take a section view, you can see these bushes has to be assembled between the support brackets, so one on the right and one on the left. So I'll exit the section view. Now if you see this assembly, let me zoom in. So it's really difficult to access the inner surface on the pulley. For example, I will show you one without using the isolate option and other one with the isolate option. You can see how easy it is. So now it is difficult. See, I couldn't access the face on the other side, so I have to rotate it. Now select this face and face of the pulley. I have selected this face. So one mate is done. Now let me go and show you how to do this with an isolate option. So this isolate option is basically isolating the component that you really want to see and hiding the other things. So we will see on the other side. I'll click this and click this. If you right click, there is an option called isolate. Once you select that, only these two components are visible. Now you can see you'll have very easy access to the surfaces. This face, if I click, now it is coincident. Now you can see how easily I can assemble this component. So this is a really useful feature when you're dealing with the larger assemblies. It also has an option to save it as a display state. So now I'll save it as a bush and pulley assembly. Pulley. I'll click OK. Now this will be saved as a display state. I'll show you that. To see the display state, what you should do is you should go to the configuration tab, and if you can see here, whatever display that state that we have saved is here. So you can isolate a number of components and then you can save it as display state. So later part, you need not isolate it again. You can directly go and select the display option. So now I have isolated the same component again. So in this drop down, if you can see, there are three options. The first one is the wireframe. So I accept the component that we have isolated. All the other bodies are shown in wireframe. Now in this option, the other bodies are shown as a transparent component. So you can use this for taking snaps, and the third one, that is hide. So you can use this various option for taking images, snapshots and other things. To add a component to the isolate option, you can just right click the component and give show display. This will help you add any component to the isolated workspace. That's it for this videos, guys. Hope you liked it. Please do subscribe to our channel and comment on any interesting topic that you would like us to post our next video on. Give a like if you feel this video has really helped you, and share it with your friends and other guys who would like to know the tips and tricks of SolidWorks.